guys, so today is a sunny day and I'm making a squishy. So I found out if you use rice, wait 1 second. Okay, so I found out if you use rice, then it's going to pop out those little black kernel noodles. I don't know, but it's like those, those things that pop when rice gets old. It's like rice kernels, and today we're gonna just use it from using old beads for decoration. It's candy, but it's old, so let's go. So first we need this, a water bottle, and a balloon. Let's go. Look at my stomach. Okay, my mom is recording the video for me, and it's spilling a lot. I may have to use this whole entire bottle. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. So you need to suck it up. If it's old, just be careful. Mom. Okay, so my mom is recording this. This feels so good. So this is supposed what you're using. It's very old, so. Oh. Ow! So this is how you squish it. It's super nice. It's so good. Okay, guys. So this is how you make. Maybe it takes like a few minutes, but it's actually super nice. Bye. Peace out, Abby friends.